Hello pals, new and old. Thanks for taking the time out of your day to watch this video, any of the videos. I really appreciate it because there's way more fun and productive things you could be doing besides this. So hopefully you enjoy what's going on here. If you don't, that's cool too. You've found the home for A+ Entertainment, the SB Mitch YouTube channel. You could follow me on Twitter or Instagram at the handle on your screen right now. I also have a website. It's called ransomnotesneakers.com. It's got things that I open up in beater boxes for sale right now, and it updates every Friday at 6:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Later on in this here video, as you can tell from the title, I'm gonna go off on what I think is probably the most overrated Nike SB release of all time. And a lot of people are not gonna like what I have to say, but first! That's right, this is the 60th time I've tried to flex on everybody, and it just makes me feel it makes me feel nothing because I'm just trying to fill the void that was filled with self-confidence and friends with material goods. It's only awkward if you make it awkward. Anyways, it's that time of the year again. It's time to say hello to our good furry, just awful smelling friend, the Supreme Donkey. This is something I got from the week 1 release. This may end up being one of the very few things I get from Supreme ever again because first, there's 2 things about Supreme. Number 1, I really just don't care about fashion, so I don't really care about Supreme, so I'm not gonna waste my time grabbing Supreme stuff anymore because I don't wear Supreme and it's kind of a money pit in terms of resale. I just kind of want to stay in my own lane, but I did grab something week 1 because I just wanted to test some things out. Plus it was cheap and it was just something to unbox, I guess. Just like every other release, comes in this here BOGO bag. Week 1, they always give like little extras and stuff like that. So the sticker pack I got has these kids saying they love Satan on a chalkboard. There's got a regular BOGO in there and what looks like, I can't see what sticker it is, but it looks like some kind of weird psychedelic kind of design, which I will throw up on the screen right now so you can see what it is, but that's the sticker pack. And the free gift this year is a shower cap, a Supreme shower cap. It's sealed, I'm not gonna open it, see it right there, right now. So yeah, a Supreme shower cap. Okay, but the actual item I got, it wasn't limited. It's this thing. It's a Supreme mini lighter holster. This holds mini lighters, as you can tell, it's the exact same size, for when you light candles in your house to make it smell like lavender and or cucumber melon. So this isn't too bad. I mean, it's just a basic thing. I got it just because I wanted to see if I could get Supreme this year, so it was really easy. Henceforth, I'm only gonna go after Supreme I know is gonna make me money because Supreme is just not my thing. So we won't be seeing much of the donkey this year because them's the breaks. This next thing comes to us from a really legitimate dude. You could follow him on Twitter. His handle is @pigmented80. I just refer to him as the beard because guess what? He has a beard. He has his own charity which provides supplies to the homeless, and he ran a charity raffle at 20 bucks a spot, which I was just like, okay, that's a worthy cause. I will definitely help out with that. And I ended up winning. And very fittingly, this is a Nike SB release. It is not my size, it's a 10.5. I mean, it's kind of my size, but it would be a little too snug. This is a release that came out in collaboration with North Carolina skate shop named Black Sheep, who has worked with Nike SBs before on numerous releases. There was the Wolf in Sheep's Clothing, which I was not a fan of, and this, a very good one called Paid in Full, which actually got a cease and desist from Gucci, but this is the newest collaboration. This is called the Hornets. This was in, this is a release to coincide with All-Star Weekend. It's got the iridescent that has strong resemblance to other All-Star releases. The tongue is, I don't know if it's gonna pick it up, but it's a honeycomb shaped thing. The outsole is a little see-through, a little icy. It's got the Hornet stinger on the swoosh, and as you can see, the Nike SB Black Sheep branding on the tongue. If it picked it up, I don't really know. Cool shoe, not really a fan. I was not a fan of this release. Just doesn't really do much for me. It's kind of too one-tone for me to really dig it. I'm not really a huge fan of shoes with black midsoles unless there's a very, very just drastic contrast going on in the shoe, and the shoe is just kind of one color to me. But it's still a really dope release. These are actually going to a buddy of mine who tried to get these for retail and just wasn't able to hit. Definitely check out Mr. Beard at Pigmented80. Really good follow on Twitter. Thank you so much. This is a really good pickup, and I'm really glad that I was able to help support your charity in some small way. This last thing I got comes to us from another person who's actually been on the channel before. You could follow him on Twitter at Hype4Sale. Really good dude based out of California. He got me a really killer price on these. This was also another All-Star Weekend release. Look at that, a little bit extra in here, a nice BOGO sticker, some packing material. But as I just said, this was a release that coincided with All-Star Weekend in Charlotte, North Carolina, size 12, but this is a women's size 12. It's a Jordan 1, as you can tell from the box. Whoa. This is the Nike Air Jordan 1 women's release. This is called Blue Chill, or it's like UNC patent. The entire shoe, well, the entire upper, not the entire shoe. It would be weird to have a patent leather midsole and outsole. It's patent leather, just like the gold toes. These are extremely high quality, I'm not gonna lie. The nice thing I didn't know about the tongue is more of like a dark blue. I thought it was gonna be black. The liner is also that darkish blue too. Really nice shoe, wow. This is a woman's size, this is a woman's size 12, so that makes it a men's 10.5. I'm gonna be realistic, it's more of like a men's 10.75, but that's not a thing. This is a really nice shoe. This is really good quality too. This shoe is floating around in this size, especially because dudes can wear it too. About like $475, $480, something like that. This is a definite long-term hold, because if the women's shattered backboard release from last year taught us anything, the long hold on this size especially is definitely worth it, because I know 12Ws are going for like $850 to $900 right now. So I don't know, these are really awesome. I'm gonna be holding on to these and maximizing my profit hopefully by the end of this summer. Definitely check out at Hype4Sale on Twitter. Really good dude. Shipped it out here quick, as you saw. Shipped it out here securely so the box was in good shape. Thank you, my friend. I really appreciate it. This is a really dope shoe. Holy cow. And that is the pickups for the week. Be sure to follow both folks that I mentioned in this video at Pigmented80 and at Hype4Sale. Really good people to follow. And as I promised you in the beginning of the video, I said I was gonna whine about something, so it's time for another unpopular opinion. So I wanted to first off thank Mike Young for suggesting this, because I was just like, it was just something that started on Instagram and Twitter, and I'm like, maybe I should kind of go into detail about why I have this opinion. But I know I'm gonna get absolutely demolished in the comments. I'm okay with that. This is just my opinion on something. But this shoe I'm gonna talk about, to me, is the most overrated, ugly shoe that Nike SB has ever released. I don't know why people like it, but I'm talking about the 2010 release in collaboration with artist Todd Braytrude on a Nike Dunk High. This one is called Skunk 420. If you don't recognize the sneaker, that's okay, I'll give the Cliffs Notes. As I said before, this was designed by illustrator Todd Braytrude, but he owns his own skateboard company called Send Help, which has had numerous collabs with Nike SB. He's also been responsible for a lot of really recognizable Nike SB collaborations, like the Brain Rex, the recent White Widow mids, the Cheech and Chong highs. But these goofy looking things are by far his most recognizable collaboration. The Nike Dunk High Premium SB Skunk 420 has a suede upper, but it's that really nappy suede that's in various shades of green with a purple swoosh made from the same material. They also feature a stash pocket. Travis Scott's the first person to ever do it. No, stash pockets were started with Ruse, I think. But the Cheech and Chong also has a stash pocket on it too, and I think the White Widow mids do too, but I could be wrong. Red X? So obviously you can tell what the inspiration behind this sneaker and pretty much most of Todd Braytrude's collaborations are. Weed. But that's not at all why I don't like this sneaker. The materials on this sneaker are that, as I said, that really nappy suede, and I just don't like that as a material. It's hard to keep clean. It kind of like gets all over the place. And trust me, I'm like the last person on earth that really cares about materials. I'm colorway through and through when it comes to the sneakers that I like. But when you pair a material that I really don't like with colors that I just don't like when they're put together, green and purple together are just bleh to me. It just makes me think of like moldy pea soup. there's just no chance I'm gonna like that shoe. One of the bigger things that really makes me not like this shoe is how defensive people get about them when I say I don't like them. Like, cool, if you like them, that's awesome. You're free to like what you like. But when I say I don't like them, people act like I'm cracking wise on their family members or like punching a hole in their car door or something like that. I just don't like the Skunk 420 Dunks. I think they're ugly. I don't know why they're going for like $900 plus right now, but hey, people dig them. I don't know why. I'm not gonna sit here and try to figure out why, but I'm glad if you like them. I just think they're the most ugly, most overrated SB of all time. And that's all I gotta say about that. Thanks for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. Remember to follow Pigmented80 and Hype for Sale, both on Twitter. Really good follows. Beater box season is upon us. I have one beater box hanging out over there, and then I have two beater boxes on the way in. We're gonna open them together. We'll see you soon. Till then, take care of each other, and remember, if you're not having fun doing it, find something you love doing and do that because it's the easiest way to be happy. See you later, crocodile. After a while, alligator.